Hi, I'm Rajat Bhyana, resident of Seacourt, JP Greens. I have been here for last 10 years, and today I would like to say something about the services facilities offers us and how residents are harassed by their services. Starting from 2012 onwards, we have been promised by Mr. Manoj Gaud that here we will have Z securities. Even परिंदा भी पर नहीं मारेगा यहाँ पे. It's more than 7 years after the commitment. Anybody can come anybody's house and go without any problem. Then that time we have problem in 2013. We have meeting with Manoj Gaud and the representative of JP Greens, facility management, and they promise us the very good services, very good security. But that time even they didn't have more than one drilling machines. If you need carpenter, you have to request for the drilling machines, and didn't have that time. So we offered them, we will give you one drilling machine. Even today situation is same. All of the JP Green we have only one drilling machines, and the kind of services they are offering, basically it's a harassment. If you ask for the, say if you have to put some switches, change some switches in your home, they will ask for 150 rupees per switches, even if it takes 5 minutes to change it. We in 2017 had meeting with the management of facility and JP that we all agreed 150 rupees will be charged for any services facilities offered to us, and it will also add GST into it. But now what they have been doing, they have fixed the price. For this activity we will charge 300 rupees, for this particular activity we will charge 600 rupees, whether it takes half an hour or it takes 6 months. So basically they are tweaking the policies, they are not giving in returns, and every day for the same things we have to discuss the same policies again and again. The kind of services we should get in a minute, it takes more than 1 hour every day. Just spending time to understand and again saying them, this was the policy, how can you change it? Then it's come to money part. Till 2017 we were not getting any invoice of the maintenance paid, any electricity detail of any electricity spent, or any fixed charges we are paying. We never used to have any detail. After 2017 they have started giving the details of accounts. Now even everything is in their hand. We have prepaid meters, which according to law it should, maintenance is paid right now through prepaid meters, but as per law we cannot club maintenance with prepaid meter. It is only for the electricity purpose, and the programming is in the hand of the facility only, so they can change anything according to their wish. Other issue we faced in 2017 was the insurance of the building. They used to get the insurance of the building, and they used to demand the money when the policy is expired, and only then they used to send the policy. When we asked, if you get the insurance, if you are getting the insurance right now, give us the policy right now. But they normally provide the policies when the policy is lapsed. So we were not sure whether they were buying the policy or they were not buying the policies. Then they used one event that happened with us around 1 year back. They said, the facility told us that around 10,000 rupees we had not paid for the past. When I asked for the detail, they said in 2017 you had taken some tax for the car. But I told them I took in 2014. After that I didn't have any. So they told ki, I think they told us there was some mistake, and then returned the money. Now they are doing same thing with everybody. They put some charges in the accounts of the resident. If you find it out, go to JP, satisfy them, they will revert it, otherwise they will charge you. Now nobody has time to go to the so much of nitty-gritties of the account. So by this way they are charging a lot of money from the residents. Then coming to the fixed load point, we in our home have 28 kilowatt fixed load, and we were paying for that amount only. But when we inquired, we came to know that it's the maximum load which can be allotted to us is a 14. Minimum load required for our house is 14 kilowatt, not 28 kilowatt. So when I asked them to reduce the load, they charge money for that one. They told me you can come down to 20 kV first. Then they told me you can come down to 16 kV. Now finally they told us you can come to 14 kV. So from 2010 onwards till 2017 we have paid more fixed load than the kind of electricity we have in our home. Then coming to the services part again, if you call at the facility, there is nobody who picks up the phone. They say you call through mail or you send through the app. They will not pick up the phone. Now there are a lot of things where we need to talk to somebody from facility. Everything cannot be on the phone or app. But no, you have to go through the app only. This is their instruction. Now money is paid by the resident, and the resident does not have any say in the affairs of the management of facility. So policies are made by the builder and the paid by the resident only. They are not for the resident and they are not meant for the resident.